Scott Schiller here for Team G503 and Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. A lot of folks call the tech line a lot and they ask the proper way to install a rope seal on an L134 engine. This seems to be a common question asked over and over again, and if you install the rope seal correctly, you won't have any leaks. So, being a team, there's a machine shop in Oregon that Ron uses sometimes to build some engines, and there's a GPW engine we'd like to show you exactly how to install a rope seal. This is going to be very informative. It's really simple. It's not a hard task. If you do it this way, you won't have any leaks.
Okay, so the first step we do with these ropes is we roll them out with a big socket. Try to flatten them.
So it looks like that instead of, and you can see what the difference is.
Perfect.
Okay, and then I stick it in here.
Oh, again,
Socket
take the
again.
socket.
Yeah.
Okay. And just work it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I bought a special pair of snap-on dikes because they got to be really, really sharp.
Sharp. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Just try to cut them as flush as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just like that.
Cool.
And if they're really sharp, you don't have a problem. And then you repeat the same deal on the cap.
On the other side.
On the other side, yeah.
Okay.
And that's what I do. And then when I put them in, I set the cap in, start the bolts, and then I put silicone in the holes
For the dowels?
for the side seals. And
Okay.
I push those down in there, and I put a little bit of silicone along here and along here.
Okay.
And we don't have any leaks.
Nice. Do you put any silicone on the
Yeah.
on the
Yeah, I do.
tip?
I just put a little bit. I take a little bit of. We use Permatex Ultra Black.
Ah, okay.
And I use
Ultra.
Ultra Black, and I use a little bit along there and all the way to there and
Okay.
over to the hole there.
Perfect.
If you want, I'll put the crank in. You can see.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so we got assembly lube going on. Since we're going to drop the crank in.
And you can use lots of it. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, more is better.
And put a little on your.
Oh, okay.
A little on your seal too.
Okay.
That help lube it. I mean, it has what's called PTFE, which is a Teflon
Got it.
stuff, but I always like to put a little more lube on it.
Perfect. On the thrust surface?
Yeah, get some in there too.
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. You may hold one end, or you got it? Get out of your way.
Like that. Sweet. Make sure you put the bolts in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Flywheel bolts. And the dowels.
Really, it's pretty easy. Okay, now we gotta do the one in the rear cap the same way.
Try to flatten that rope seal out.
This one's a little harder because it's got the tube sticks out in the bottom.
Gotcha.
Normally I put this one on a vise
Oh.
and do it. Get my good hand. can't do nothing with my right arm. Okay. It's easier with it in a vise.
Yeah, so you can hold on to it. Yep. Cool. Just try to cut it as close as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Cool.
Like I say, get a real sharp pair.
Get the fuzz off, huh?
Yeah, much of it as can.
Yeah.
It'll compress when you bolt it together.
Got it.
Okay.
Permatex Ultra Black. Ultra being the key word.
Yeah. And what you do is put a little right in the corner here. Give it. Over there. Any kind of lube on the bolts you want.
Okay.
I use the ARP stuff because we have lots of it.
Gotcha. Lubrication on the bolts.
Silicone in the hole.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Now, do you trim those at all, or just that?
Not until you're. Well, I usually don't trim these until I get ready to put the oil pan on. What I do is I put the pan gasket on it.
Oh, okay.
And then I trim it to the top of the pan gasket.
Okay. Do you want any compression on that at all? Or
A little bit, doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's kind of glued in there because the silicone is.
Oh, got it. So it's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere now. And then like that. Give them a push.
Cool.
That's it.
Nice.
And you can see the silicone squeezes out down there too, so you know it's sealed on the bottom too.
A little bit splitting out the side.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's it.
Awesome. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Fantastic job there, guys. Ron Fitzpatrick was narrating that video as it was shot in the background, and they got the rock and roll music playing on the radio in the background. It's an all-around, easy to follow, very informative video. Want to announce something very, very special on this video because it's about to happen. We have almost reached 2,000 subscribers on the Team G503 channel on YouTube, and that is just awesome. Thanks again, guys, for following along and supporting us. If you'd like to follow along what we're doing with the 1943 Willys MB, as well as other things that are going to start getting incorporated into this channel this year in the future, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button at the bottom and hit the notification button so you know when we've released new videos. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, keep it safe and happy Jeeping. All vehicle parts shown in the Team G503 and G503 TV videos are provided by Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts.